Mission readiness starts with knowledge. Training warfighters and maintainers to perform their jobs quickly, safely, and accurately is critical to operational success. But outdated paper manuals and static videos slow us down. They're hard to update, costly to maintain, and limited in what they can show. BILT provides a better solution: cloud-hosted, 3D interactive intelligent instructions that increase speed, improve safety, and reduce errors. From Navy maintainers to Air Force mechanics, BILT meets service members where they are, on mobile devices they already use, both on and off the grid. Hundreds of instruction sets can be stored on a single device, saving space, weight, and fuel, perfect for remote deployments or disconnected environments. BILT also delivers real-time performance analytics. Leaders and program managers gain visibility into training and task competency with measurable data to continuously improve performance. And now with Apple Vision Pro, BILT is unlocking the next generation of immersive instruction. By blending 3D models with the real world, service members can assemble, install, maintain, and repair equipment with unprecedented clarity and confidence. No rewinding, no guesswork, just clear immersive guidance exactly when and where it's needed. And because BILT reduces the need for printed manuals, it aligns with the Defense Department's digitization and paper reduction initiatives. By adopting this award-winning dual-use commercial solution, your organization will take the lead in implementing a technology that will ultimately impact the entire joint agency enterprise. Download BILT and experience the future of technical training, maintenance, and repair.